have just arrived Oyinfunfun Gardens right here in Moniya. Standing here, one thing is clear. This is not just a land, this is potential in progress. Moniya is fast becoming one of the most strategic real estate corridors in the southwest. We are 15 minutes away from the Ibadan train station and a short drive to the University of Ibadan, an International Institute of Tropical Agriculture (IITA), both a knowledge and investment hub, plus the ongoing governmental projects in road expansion and regional transportation. You are looking at an environment that will explode as a matter of time. So, the right time to invest is now.